Welcome back to 2-Screw Review. Oh, wait on. Better. 2-Screw Review is a series of videos where we put impact drivers, drills and impact wrenches up against each other one-on-one driving 2 screws. In today's 2-Screw Review, 100mm versus 200mm batten screws, and also 2.5 amp hour battery versus 4 amp hour battery on the 36 volt HiKOKI hammer drill. Don't blink, you'll miss it. If you have a suggestion for any 2 impact drivers, wrenches, drills, and any configuration going up against each other, leave it down in the comments and I may do it in a future episode. Thanks for watching. For full reviews of the 2 drivers you just saw in this video, take a look down in the description, maybe up here. Have a look, they'll be there somewhere, and I'll see you on another one.